XAUUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about gold against dollar. Before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. Subscribe here and press the like button on this video and then click the notification bell so that you can get these analysis on daily basis. And below the video you will find some links. It says join free Telegram channel. So yeah, for now, the only option I'm running is this free Telegram channel. I do have my paid membership, but I'm not advertising the paid membership right now because I don't want to be occupied or be responsible for the other students, okay? I want to be free for now. That I like my freedom, okay? So for now, I am doing whatever I'm doing with my own will. I don't want to be responsible that you pay me the money and then I have to do everything, okay? So join free Telegram. That's all I have. That's all I have for you. And then check out best prop firm and the brokers. So you go and sign up with the brokers. Very strong reason for that. Trade with my signals in a separate broker account. I don't want you to mix everything. Okay. So if you're trading on your own or you are trading with somebody else's signal, keep it in a separate account. But if you are going to trade with my signals on Telegram, which you will get in the future, then make sure you use a separate broker for that, because I will have to ask you the accuracy, how many trades you are winning from my signals. Okay, so make sure you sign up with the brokers, subscribe, like, all free. Now let's get back to the chart here, starting with top down approach with weekly chart. In weekly we are going down, so the trend is up for gold, but in weekly we are going down. So we are looking for longs as per the definition. Look for longs if the trend is up. So here we have broken the previous high. This is a pullback merely to me. So long wick rejection has come already. Okay, you can see long wick rejection, and then that's it. So whenever you see long wick, that means rejection. This rejection and this downtrend is over, I believe. Okay, but as per the daily chart, you don't have any entry signal. You can only enter in the daily if there was a blue candle which has eaten this previous red candle, which might happen tomorrow, and then you can enter on Monday. Okay, but daily is, daily moves very slowly. You have to wait 24 hours for each candle to finish in daily. Okay, right now in daily we don't have the opportunity, but rejection is there, which means downtrend is over, and look for buy opportunities in the 4 hours. So let's go back to 4 hour. We are below the EMA, that's fine. Okay, so this is the downtrend. I think yeah, downtrend must be over. Let me just check. So you can see here this rejection has come, right? So this long wick in 4 hours. So this blue candle has given us the rejection, and then we have a blue candle. So you can have two possibilities here. Wait for the blue candle to close above the EMA. Okay. So one possibility is that let the blue candle come and close above the EMA, and then you can enter buy. Or else, if you want to be super sure that this is the uptrend now, if you want more and more confirmation, then wait for this high to break. Okay, if you want to be damn sure, then wait for this high to break. Let some blue candles come and break this high, and after that you have to wait for the pullback, then again blue candle, and then you enter buy. Okay, otherwise we all know gold is in the uptrend. As soon you see a blue candle closing above the EMA, that should be your entry. Otherwise, wait for this high to break, then pull back, and then blue candle and enter long. Okay, so I guess that's all for now. This is too much. I'm beating you for free. Okay, subscribe, like, join the Telegram, and sign up with the brokers. Subscribe, like. I'll see you next time.